I've known this pupil, Beth, for a while now, but this is her first lesson driving with me. And this is our first right turn that we do. Look what happens.
Nice job. Well done, Beth. Squeezing off we go. So, we'll take this road on the right. Who do you give way to?
There's anyone that's coming out on this end.
No, oncoming.
Oh, oncoming.
Alright, so oncoming's clear. Are we good to go in? I think you are. Off you go.
No.
Wow. Well set. You did ever so well there. That's what you've got to be careful of people doing that. That was very good. Do you think maybe the stop maybe confused them? You were parking for a moment then?
Maybe.
Alright.
Maybe.
It's alright.
I feel like that I'm just too cautious at this point.
Don't worry.
I've had people in the past say not being as patient as I'd like with me.
Yeah, and that is the case, to be honest. Have a little go into second gear, and we're going to find somewhere to park in on the left. So do we need to signal this time? You've been taught to signal for everything?
Yeah.
Okay,
just
cancel your signal a sec. Let go of the brake a bit. And there you go, it rolls for a bit. And then are you happy with the curve and straight and where we are?
Yep.
Then press it a little bit more. Good. Well done, secure your car up. Well done. Well done. Relax. Chill. Okay. Good right turn. Well done for seeing that car. Just think though, you got to the junction and who was coming the other way?
No one.
Okay. And what did you do with your car at that point?
I stopped.
Do you see where I'm coming from?
Yeah.
So, although that car that was coming from behind, it did a lethal thing, by the way. That's really dangerous because you had a right signal on.
Yeah.
Imagine if you'd have just turned.
Yeah.
So it was lethal what that car did. However, do you think maybe it had a little bit to do with the fact that you got there and stopped when it was clear?
Yeah.
Super. So just bear that in mind. If you'd have kept going, it would have been fine initially.
Again, in the case of I'm the one that's in front, I've signalled, everything's clear. I just need to be brave enough to go.
Originally, as you're coming in, yes. However, your decision there, I was really impressed with, to be that aware of those people coming up behind, or that car coming up behind, is excellent. So, well done. But like I said, when you get there, you should already know whether or not it's clear to go. Alright, so there's a little bit of a planning issue that we're going to have to just work with a bit, but honestly, first time in the car, first time, on a lesson with me. Very good, no problems.